Now that you understand the form of the diaphragm, the function it plays within our body with the central nervous system, and the function of our lungs, I'm going to share with you how you can measure the capacity of your breathing with the breathing IQ. What you will need is a cloth tape measure. The location of the cloth measuring tape is basically where the diaphragm is connected to your rib cage. So I have the numbers out in front, to the side, and back. Key thing with this is just making sure that it doesn't get tangled or twisted as you do this. As you hold here, you're going to take an inhale. See how it expands? Note where the number is. Exhale. It narrows. Note where the number is. Inhale, expand. Exhale, narrow. Now, as you do this, what I recommend is you just watch and keep the measuring tape taut. Watch where the numbers lie. We want to make sure that we're not inhaling, holding our breath, looking at the number, then exhaling, holding our breath, looking at the number. We want to find the numbers of the same congruent breath. It'll look like this. Inhale. So each time I'm hovering between my inhale at a 31 and my exhale at a 29. So I'm just going to round to those numbers, and then there's just a little bit of math to get your rating.
So once you have your number for your inhale and your exhale, you're going to subtract those two numbers. As you can see, I subtract 31 from 29, I get the number 2. Once you get the difference from your inhale and exhale, you're simply dividing it by your exhale. So here I'll take 2 divided by 29, I get 0.68. Once I have that, I'm just simply timesing it by 100, and that will give me the percentage of my range of motion with my diaphragm and rib cage. This is only the first part of understanding your BIC score, your breathing IQ. Now you'll learn your breathing style and where this number falls with the breathing IQ chart.
There are 3 different styles of breathing mechanics. We have the vertical, when we're breathing with our accessory muscles. We have the horizontal, when we're breathing with our diaphragm. And then we have the hybrid of both. For you to understand your breathing IQ, you need to determine if you are a vertical, a horizontal, or a hybrid. What you'll do is just simply watch yourself in a mirror and see if you are one of those 3. If you are a vertical breather, you'll look like this. Horizontal, or hybrid, a combo of both. When you're watching yourself to determine your style of breathing, watch where the movement occurs as you inhale. Is your body moving upward in that vertical movement, or is your body expanding horizontally, or is it a mixture of both? Simply just watch where the movement occurs and then determine what one out of the 3 you are. Once you have your style of breath, either horizontal, vertical, or hybrid, you're going to take that and the number that you got from your inhale and exhale, and just simply on the chart here, find your grade. So I would say, let's just for purpose of this video, you're a mixed or the hybrid. And then you'll take that number and see where you're at the bottom of the chart. And that is a 68, 70. And then you find the letter of your grade of the breathing IQ. Now, remember, the breathing IQ is simply a way to understand your baseline. The 3 exercises that I give you are here to help you progress from where you're at. So this is a really good way to create a baseline, but also to see how you progress with these 3 exercises I give. Blessings with your breath and peace with your journey. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions about breathing IQ or breathing questions, comment below. I would love to help.